This is going to be a modified glitch. This is a 100% cotton shirt. It's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun out until it's just damp. It is flipped inside out, and the green markings on the side are the width of the yardstick, or a meter stick in every other part of the world other than the US. Okay, so we're going to go up 1 and up 0 over here. We'll go ahead and put this down just so that I can get a good crease on this one. Okay. Then we're going to go up 1 and go up 2, so it will be there and there. Go ahead and crease this just a little. And back to 1, or 2 and 1. So I'm just alternating the steps on either side. And 2 on the right, 1 on the left. So I've got wide, 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 wide. Okay, what was that? 2 on the right. So pull this out. 2 on the left would be up here, and 1 on the right. Be right there. Second yardstick would work really well, especially if it was thin. So 1 on the left, 2 on the right. And then, whoa. Let me redo that one. That one did not want to stay. Now the fun would be finding hold on, let me mark one more up here. I think it's too high to actually work. So what are we at? 2 here, so 1, 2, and 1. Do that. Okay. Move that up. We'll mark this out again. going to do this as a regular, so just do that. Okay, so we have that. So the first one is like this back and forth thing, and second one is straight. And then I think we're going to roll. So it should be a diagonal roll. Might do 7, and I'm going to space these out diagonally so that I know where the colors go. So I don't know, colors like that, color straight, kind of torn here on where the color should be. Yes, it should technically be straight because that would be the diagonal of the last two. So yeah, I guess that makes more sense. Okay, so let's space this out. I'm going to tie this up actually. Not horribly tight, but tight enough. These are just so I know what I'm looking at. So 2 and the little hole, little tight thing. And still have no clue where my scissors went. A couple of extras of these. Just keep that from flying away too much. And then I'll do another one here just to keep that down. All right, it's a modified glitch. Off to die. Okay, after looking through all the splits, we're going to go with Forest Green, Marine Blue from Grateful Dyes, Power Berry, Dances with Raisins, Tangerine, and Daffodil. I'm going to do Dye Under Ice, and then we'll probably flip it over. It is going to be dyed in muck, so I don't know, just kind of play it by ear based on how it feels. So let's go ahead and do the dye. Alright, we'll let that melt through. Okay, it's been at least 2 days since it's fully melted through. So let's go ahead and rinse this out. Alright, let's take a look. It's really dark up here. We'll see if that changes after it's washed out. So I'll go throw this in the wash and we'll take a look. Okay, so here's the front. Here's the back. It is definitely a different type of glitch. It's almost a diamond pattern here. This does not look like a normal glitch. I prefer a regular glitch, I think. This one's just kind of all over the place. Like you'd be going, okay, it looks like a glitch, but there's something different about it. I picked the colors that had the, I'm not necessarily the greatest, and by greatest I mean most, color splits there were, but pretty close. So I mean, you don't have like a bright green, it's this darker green, that kind of thing. I don't know. It's different. I mean, you've got like a triangle here and this weird set of shapes going on. This is really dark up here. I guess it works. It's different. Definitely a different type of design and different type of shirt. What are your thoughts? This versus just a regular glitch? I don't know. Let me know down below. Until next time, thanks for watching.